We have moisture from Tropical Storm Ivo has worked its way all the way up into southern Utah and enhanced our monsoon here. There's just torrential rain coming down right in front of us here. We're going to hopefully capture some flooding taking place. A couple hours ago, it's coming down really hard. We can hear a flash flood coming now. Not quite sure what size it is, so we're kind of taking precautions here. We can hear the rocks tumbling in it. This shit is freaky at night, I'm not gonna lie.
There's a lot of salt too. And that's just Coyote Springs, that's not.
Yeah, here's the main road, Smoky Mountain Road. Disappears under a raging torrent. And here we have some unsuspecting tourist.
Yeah, stuck on the other side.
And he's going to be there for a while. This flood is not going to let up.
Tomorrow morning.
He's got the rest of the night back there.